Hey, before you scroll past to the next gadget, let's talk about something that actually changes how you feel the moment you use it. A710 Pro. This is for you if you're the kind of person who feels tension in your shoulders the second you wake up, who knows what real relaxation should feel like instead of just guessing at it. You've lived with stress built up from long days, long study sessions, long sits at a desk, and the very first time you sink into this, you'll know you were ready for an upgrade long before now. Before anything else, check the current price and availability. Massaging tech this advanced doesn't hang around at a stable price forever, and hesitation is how interest later turns into regret. You remember exactly when your old routine stopped cutting it. Maybe your back felt tight after hours of sitting. Maybe your neck always felt stiff even after you tried stretching. Maybe you'd finish a long day and wish you had something that actually helped instead of just making you wait for tomorrow. That was the moment you realized you were done with makeshift fixes. The first time you sit in this, something shifts. The zero-gravity position eases that immediate pressure in your lower back. The shiatsu nodes actually hit the spots that always feel tight. Heat comes in at just the right time, not too hot, not too weak, and you feel the difference before you even think about it. That's not minor, that's relief you notice immediately. Picture evenings where you don't just slump on the couch and hope for the best. Picture sessions where your muscles genuinely loosen, where aches don't nag at you afterward, where you feel relaxed instead of just tired. Even lazy weekends suddenly feel restorative because this doesn't just soothe, it works. And here's the part that changes how you think about chairs like this: it's not just about comfort, it's about consistency. Once you experience massage that actually keeps up with how your day hits your body, warm, adaptive, targeted, going back to old methods feels unfinished, like a rough sketch compared to a finished picture. Don't wait thinking prices or stock will sit still. Features like health detection and app control make this a strong pick, and gear that actually delivers tends to disappear or get pricier. You might wonder if it's overkill for everyday use. That doubt melts the second you use it multiple days in a row. The surprise isn't just relaxation, it's how much less tension you feel in spots you didn't even realize were always tight. It's the difference between I sat in it and I actually feel different afterward. Only this feels different. You don't just sit in a chair, you reset. You come out knowing your body just got care you've been missing. You stop settling for quick fixes because this delivers ease that lasts. You feel tension easing deeper. You feel warmth where you need it. You feel pressure release with rhythm. You feel comfort that actually works. It's not the cheapest seat in the house. And it fits someone who values real relaxation. At some point, you leave the maybe later thinking behind. You stop comparing gimmicks. You choose the one that already feels like the one you wanted, the one that makes your body feel better every time you use it. Check the price while it still feels smart. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you delay, only to look back and wish you'd acted when your body first told you it needed something better.